In this video, we're going to talk about this headset from Eksa. It's the new one. It's the Eksa Air Joy Plus. It's a 7.1 surround sound headphones, and they're advertised as mobile gaming headset. So let's try them out. Check it out. Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and like I said in the intro, this video is all about the Eksa Air Joy Plus. Let's go and do some unboxing, then we'll come back to see what it's like. So the box itself, got everything that you need on it. Environmental noise control, 7.1 surround, and all the specifications on the back there. If you want to, you can pause that quickly and then you can have a look about everything that's on there. Package list, you get the headset obviously, USB extension cable, user manual, and a carry bag. So let's have a look at it. So you see straight away we've got the USB adapter. There's your microphone pop filter. There's a manual in there as well. And let's just get that box out of the way. Let's move that out of the way. And here we go. There's the bag. It's a very nice bag, nice and soft. And inside, nothing else in the bag, and there we go, there's the headset. It's very light, very small headset. Obviously it's for mobile gaming, so that's what you need. Not a massive headband, but again, you're not going to be using it for many hours in a row, so it should be okay. That probably lights up on the side there, I reckon. With the controls on the side, there's the mute button and volume. There's the microphone obviously. Padding feels small but firm, and I think that'll feel quite nice actually. Can you see which one's left and right? Can't see any visual markings on it, so you can see which one's left and right. Oh, here we go, look. There's the right there. Okay, and it's a USB-C cable, which is amazing. That's what we like to see this time of year, time of age even. Yeah, so overall quality, it's obviously all plastic and it feels all right so far. How do we extend that? Well, we extend it there, okay. We've got metal extension there, that's all good. Yeah, and it folds sideways. So far, it looks good. So let's have a look what it's like actually playing with it. Alright, so the headphones themselves, they're actually, obviously they're quite light. The only thing I would say about them is the microphone, you twist it and it seems to be happy facing up instead of, can you see that? It seems to be happy facing up then sideways. You turn it sideways and it just wants to rotate back up again. But you know what, it's not a massive issue. And I was being a bit silly in the other video when I was saying you can't really see which one's left and right. It's obviously on the sides there. But you know what, it's obvious which way the front is because the microphone's at the front, it's not going to be at the back, is it? Anyway, sorry about that. So actually using the headphones, they're actually really nice. They're quite light and they actually sound quite good. So when you actually put them on the end of it, it's got a really long cable. What's that, about 2 meters, 2.5 meters? So you can play that on your home gaming now as well. So sound's actually quite good. It's not massively great on bass. It's not huge bass, so you won't be really listening to music really. It's not great for music, but playing games on the Switch or the on your phone, it's ideal for that because you don't want mega bass when you're playing games. You can still hear footsteps, you can still hear the car revving, you can still hear everything that's going on around you. It's 7.1 surround as well, but that's only when it's on the computer, not on your mobile phone. But it does sound really good. You've obviously got all the surround sound as well. But so it does do well. I think I'm going to mark it up about as a 7.5 out of 10 for sound. Usability is brilliant. You've got the volume control on the bottom there, and there's just a simple button for mute. It's so easy to use and it's so easy to travel with as well. So you just fold it up and you put it in the little bag and you're ready to go. It's good because it's actually a pretty good headset. I think I'm going to London in the next couple of weeks. I might use these myself for that. This audio is being recorded with the headset on and with no filters on, although I believe I will need to turn the volume up a little bit. It's in a quiet room. The microphone is about 1 inch from my mouth. So thanks for joining me today on my little video. Just before you go, make sure you like the video if you do like it, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Don't forget to ring that bell. Okay, so that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later, bye.